welcome back to my channel. Today I have a project pan update. So first off, we have the Milani eyeshadow primer. Now that's where we started, that's where we were, and we're literally down here to the point where it's like sputtering when it comes out. So we are almost done with the Milani primer. Girl Supersizer mascara, it is starting to, like, I can hardly feel anything in the tube, and it's starting to get very dry. So that's almost gone. The LA Colors Eye Tensity mascara that we added, it is once again same thing, barely anything on the sides, like really nothing, and it's pretty dry. So I might use this one or two more times and go ahead and put that in the empties. I have the LA Colors Pressed Powder in Tan, so I believe that's where we started, or that is the line from last update. I cannot remember, but this is where we are now. Pretty impressed with this. Next we have the Wet&Wild Color Icon Reserve Your Cabana bronzer, but use it for a highlight. And this was almost full, like only this right here when we started was open. 5 or 6 squares were exposed when we started the project pan, and here we are now. Now, to be fair, I did drop this, break it. It had more than this left in it when it broke, so I've used quite a bit of this up, and this will be probably in our next empties. It's almost gone, you guys. I feel like I've done pretty well with some of these products. This is the LA Colors Brow Pencil and Highlighter. So here's the here's the brow side, and you can see I used it completely up and is now sharpening into the highlighter. And there's what I have left of the highlighter. I'm not a big fan of the highlighter, to be honest, so I'm not going to use that. I am done with this product. Sayonara. It was a good brow pencil, that duo pencil, so definitely worth checking out. The Workshop brow highlighter here, and like I said before, I don't know if that's where we started or that was the second update, but here's where we are now. And I have not been using this very much, just because I've been using other palettes and stuff, but I will continue to use this because I do like this nice highlight. It's just a vanilla shimmery shade for brow highlighting, and it's actually really nice. Next up we have the CoverGirl Plus Olay, and this is the Under Eye CC Concealer, and that is done. So I believe this might be where we started or last update, not entirely sure once again, but it's done. It is completely done. This looks so satisfying that it is all gone. I really liked this, but to be honest, I don't think I will be repurchasing this item because there are under eye concealers that I like far better. But that was a good product. And here we have the Wet&Wild Mega Cushion Color Correcting Concealer. This is the peach one, and this is for under eyes. Now, I will say that I like this. It's very lightweight. It has nice coverage. It's buildable, and it, like I said, it's lightweight. I love it. The only thing is that I'm going to use it a few more times and probably toss it because it is starting to smell different. And the sponge is actually starting to get drier. So we are on our way to finishing this product up. It has been a great one, and actually I probably will repurchase this under eye concealer because it's so lightweight. To me, it's very close to the Maybelline Magic Eraser. Last but not least is this Maybelline Trio Almond Satin. That's where we are now. We've barely made a dent in this project pan just because, like I said, I got a bunch of new products and palettes to try out, so I didn't grab for this. I didn't do a whole lot of everyday stuff. I just put it back in my drawer that I keep a lot of the makeup that I cannot part with because it is just near and dear to my heart, and this is one of them. Like when I first learned how to do the bombshell kind of pinup style looks, this was my go-to. Has been for a while, and you can see it's been dearly loved, but it's time to probably let it go, unfortunately. But yeah, that is all the products in this project pan, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the update, and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. And stay tuned. Check the description box for additional links to the other project pan videos. Thank you again for watching.